Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am starting off with a cut file from Paige Evans that is available in her scrapbooking group, her Facebook group, but it's also on Silhouette Design Studio. So you can pick it up on both places, and I'll try to leave the link of the name down below. So I am going to do a very simple technique that most of us scrappers do, and it's back a cut file. So I did start off with just one done previously, and now I'm going through all of the pages that I used in my last layout to spell out summer and cut out all the inside parts for this butterfly. This collection is the Echo Park Summer Fun collection, and it's the Scrapbooking Store July 2018 kit, and these colors are just so fun, so vibrant, and perfect for scrapping your summer pictures. I will be scrapping 2 pictures of Valentina, opening up a subscription box that I recently am a part of. It's called Bookaroo, and you get books, kind of like Book of the Month Club for adults, but it's kid books. And we get 3 board books or picture books. And I do have a coupon code for 50% off your first book if you are at all interested. It's definitely fun, and she opened it and I took pictures of it, of course. So it's like summer reading, and they're really fun. So I go ahead and take the time to use an assortment of the kind of like 6 pattern papers, 6 that made up summer, and I used the scraps in order to fill it in. So we have some yellows, the watermelon color going on, this blue, a palm tree green, and I take the time to do this for a majority of the flowers. Now I do want to leave some open because on the white cardstock I'm going to gesso it. It'll be gessoed when you see it, and I'm going to do some mixed media in the background. So right now you're just seeing me do this part, and I won't bore you to show you the whole thing, but this takes time. If you've ever done this technique, it's really fun to showcase all the like a lot of pattern paper at once in a collection, which is what I'm trying to do here with any kind of cut file, even if it's circles or hearts or stars or geometric pattern. You know, backing them with colored paper is always like a good starting off point, in my opinion, to kind of showcase the colors and all the pattern papers that are in a collection. So that is what I am doing here. And once you have majority done, this is what it'll look like. And like I said, I just sewed the paper, and I'm taking my Oxide inks from Tim Holtz or Ranger. This is Carved Pumpkin. I recently hauled this on Blitsy, and I'm doing the infamous packaging technique. So you smush a little on some packaging, add some water. This is Picked Raspberry, Worn Lipstick, and then the other one is Fossiled Amber. And you kind of just go to town, and wherever kind of beautiful layout it has. This is Valentina playing with my jar of mists. I had a video. She was on my lap, and she's laying across me, and she's just reaching in my jar of sprays. She's hilarious. This is what happens when you try to scrap and you have an 8-month-old baby. So I added some splatters. The blue that you see that's splattered is Shimmer's paint in Jenny B Blue. That was me gluing it down, and I did cut off the bottom row of flowers. I am matting it on this blue striped paper to have some contrast and add more of that blue color from all of the pink, orange, and yellow that is going on. These are the sticker sheet. This is the sticker sheet from the collection, so I'm using the word summer, and then I'm going to take my Amy Tangerine collection from, I want to say, Good Times or Good Vibes, and using the word fun. So it's summer fun, and I think this collection that was its ombre worked really well for this layout. And then I'll do a cluster right next to the pictures as well. I'm going to raise the second one up on Fun Foam. Then I'm going to use the bike and use a watermelon summer times embellishment as well, and then do a few more stickers of some popsicles and another like banner on the flowers. I got some turquoise thread underneath the corners in both areas so that it balanced itself out. And then I'm using some of the American Craft chipboard pieces that also came in the collection from the Scrapbooking Store, and keeping the embellishments slight on the lighter side because I did such a busy background and showed so much of the pattern paper. I didn't want to now have multiple clusters of stickers. So this is from the scrapbookingstore.com, their July 2018 kit. I will leave the link down below for you if you are interested, and August should be releasing shortly too, but I'm still having fun with this one, so stay tuned for another layout. Thank you so much. Bye!